You can generate unlimited images for free using this website. You can even do this on your phone. First, enter your prompt here. After entering the prompt, you can change the settings from this option if you want. Now go to the Image section. Select the image size you want. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. Then select your preferred AI model from this option. In this tutorial, we'll use the Nano Banana 2 AI model. So select Nano Banana 2. As you can see, it shows 0 credits. That means no credits are required. Your images are generated completely free. We'll generate 2 images in this example. Everything is now ready. You can generate as many images as you want. Now click Send. The image generation process has started. Wait a few moments. The image generation is now complete. You can download the images from here if you want. Open the Download option. Then download the image with 2K upscaling for higher quality. The download is now complete. As you can see, the image has been downloaded successfully. The website link and a detailed guide are available in the description and the pinned comment. Feel free to check them out. Thank you for watching.